The 2018 Subaru Outback is accessible with a wide exhibit of cutting-edge well-being highlights and has done well in crash testing. The 2018 Subaru Outback incorporates an abnormal state of standard security gear, and it has scored well in crash tests. Government analyzers give it a 5-star general rating, and the IIHS calls it a top safety pick plus its most elevated honor. Just a solitary 4-star score in a figured rollover test shields it from achieving flawlessness on our scale. It wins a 9. All Outbacks have 8 airbags, rear-view camera, solidness control, and automated stopping devices. Discretionary on Outback Premiums and Limiteds and Standard on. The range-topping Outback Touring is the brand's EyeSight suite of well-being tech. Packaged under the EyeSight umbrella are imperative highlights, for example, programmed crisis braking, programmed high-bar headlights, dynamic path control, and blind side monitors. Notably, Subaru bundles its front-align cameras, utilized for programmed crisis braking and programmed high bars, inside the Outback's windshield. That implies the costly bits are less defenseless to harm or earth from street trash and frigid climate than rivals with cameras incorporated into guards and grills. The IIHS says that the 2018 Outback rates as a top safety pick plus when fitted with EyeSight. Models without EyeSight have headlights that rate simply peripheral. The second most reduced score. 3 alternative bundles are accessible, one that packages a power moonroof with a power liftgate, another that incorporates the EyeSight suite of security tech and the power liftgate, and a third that incorporates those highlights in addition to worked en route. Our suggestion: a 2.5i Premium with EyeSight costs an acceptable $31,000. The Outback 2.5i and 3.6 are limiteds, recognized by their 2.5-liter Level 4 and 3.6-liter Level 6 motors, include calfskin upholstery, Harman Kardon sound, 18-inch amalgam wheels, a 4-way control traveler seat, blind side screens, warm back seats, keyless start, control lift gate, and control moonroof. Limiteds can be optioned up with a solitary bundle that includes EyeSight en route.